Good afternoon. A weather agency has upgraded strong wind advisory into a warning for some parts of the country, and that's including here in the capital. So most regions will experience gusts of up to 90 kilometers per hour, strong enough to topple trees. And the winds in eastern Gangwon-do Province could be even stronger. What's more, there is a dry weather advisory in place for the southeast and for Gyeonggi-do Province. Fire weather conditions, so be careful. Meanwhile, central inland regions will see light showers along with thunder and lightning into this afternoon. Meanwhile, the northern regions will see a big drop in temperatures, so Seoul will only get up to 10 degrees Celsius this afternoon, and that's 7 degrees lower than Wednesday. Southern provinces, however, will continue to have spring warmth with highs in the upper teens this afternoon. Air quality will improve and skies will get sunnier. Meanwhile, the capital will see warmer weather again from tomorrow. That's Korea for you, and here's the international weather for viewers around the world.